Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vaidehi and Vandevi hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing a Gujarat special, something that's made in most Gujarati houses. It's a Sambhariya Shaak. For the Sambhariya, today we're using sweet potato, Tendli, potato and Brinjal. You can do a combination of whatever vegetables you like. You can do a potato and onion, you can do a potato and brinjal, you can do just a tindli, you can do just okra or bhindi, whatever you like. So let's watch the recipe for our Sambhariya Shaak. First we need to make a mix for the filling. So for that we've got freshly grated coconut, coriander leaves finely chopped, some ginger chilli paste, hing, haldi powder, red chili powder. You can alter the spice levels. You can alter the spice according to the level of spice you require. A little garam masala, some besan, Dhana jeera powder, a little bit of sugar. If you want to minus, you can minus the sugar totally. We're just going to give all this a quick mix. Salt to taste. Mixing my filling well. Once my filling is ready, I'm going to start stuffing my vegetables. So in the tendli, I have just made some slits in which I'm going to fill in my masala. The same way we fill in our brinjal, which has the slits. My brinjal and tindli has been stuffed with the filling. Next, I heat my pressure pan put some oil in it. Throw in my vegetables. So that's the brinjal, the tindli, potatoes. I've got mini potatoes. You can even use regular potatoes just cubed into small pieces. And I have sweet potato which I've just cubed up. My remaining filling mix. And water. This is cooked for 3 whistles. So the vegetables for our Sambhariya are cooked, and that is our Sambhariya which is ready. Sambhariya being a little dry, you can reduce the quantity of water to about 2 cups instead of 3 cups. I'm going to plate my Sambhariya in a bowl. I'm garnishing it with little freshly cut coriander leaves. Our Sambhariya Shaak is ready. This can be enjoyed with either rice or roti. Please do share in the comments how you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching.